हेलो एवरीवन। कल के लेक्चर में हमने लेंसेज, देन टाइप ऑफ लेंसेज दैट इज कॉन्केव लेंस, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, देन व्हाट इज द लेंस फॉर्मूला, साइन कन्वेंशंस विच आर यूज्ड फॉर लेंस फॉर्मूला। ओके, वी हैव सीन ऑल दिस थिंग्स। आज के लेक्चर में हम ह्यूमन आई, देन डिफेक्ट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन आई, हाउ कैन वी रेक्टिफाई दोज डिफेक्ट्स। ओके, वी विल बी लर्निंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन टुडेज लेक्चर. Okay, so first part is structure of human eye. So human eye has a thin transparent membrane known as cornea. So हम human eye के ऊपर एक thin membrane रहती है, transparent membrane, which is known as cornea. And behind the cornea there is dark fleshy screen, which is called as iris. Okay, so in that iris there is a small hole of changing diameter, which is called as pupil. So behind the pupil there is transparent biconvex lens located. Okay, the inner surface of the eye is a light sensitive screen called retina. It consists of light sensitive cells, that is जो भी image form होती है, okay, that image is formed on the retina. After refraction of light, after the light enters our eye, the image is formed on the retina. Okay, यहाँ पे diagram में we can see the structure of human eye. So the thin transparent membrane that is called as cornea, and behind the cornea there is iris, and inside iris there is a small hole of changing diameter, which is called as the pupil. Then behind the pupil there is optic disc and retina. On retina the image is formed. Okay, after refraction of light the image is formed on the retina. Defects of vision, that is some people cannot see things clearly due to loss of accommodation of power. That is उनकी आइज़ की, उनकी प्यूपिल की जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन की पार है वो थोड़ी सी लेस हो जाती है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे कैनॉट सी थिंग्स क्लियरली, देयर विजन बिकम्स फेंट. ओके, सो देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन डिफेक्ट्स, दैट इज नियर साइटनेस और मायोपिया, फार साइटनेस और हाइपरमेट्रोपिया, and third one is presbyopia. So now we'll be learning about all these 3 different types of defects. Okay, first one, that is nearsightedness or myopia. Okay, so nearsightedness is a defect in which human eye can see nearby objects clearly. That means हमको पास के objects ठीक से दिखाई देंगे, but जो भी objects हमसे दूर है, okay, we won't be able to see that objects clearly. That is called as nearsightedness or myopia. So in this case the image is formed in front of retina. Okay, जो भी image actual में retina पे form होनी चाहिए, so that image is formed in front of retina. And the possible reasons for that are the ciliary muscles do not relax sufficiently and the converging power of the lens become high. As the image is formed in front of retina, the converging power becomes high and the distance between the eyeball and the retina increases as the eyeball is lengthened or lenses is curved. Okay, so the distance between the eyeball and the retina increases. Now we can correct myopia by using suitable concave lens. Okay, we can use concave lens to correct myopia. So if we use concave lens, it first diverges the light ray. Okay, whatever light ray is coming in our eyes, those concave lens will diverge the light rays. Then those light rays will reach our eyes and then it will converge and the image will be formed on the retina. So second one, that is farsightedness or hypermetropia. That is, now in this case we can see the objects which are located at far point from us, okay, which are located at distant places, but we cannot see nearby object clearly. That means हमको दूर के objects दिखाई देते हैं but पास के objects हम ठीक से देख नहीं पाते. So in this case the image is formed behind the retina. Okay, जो भी refracted rays है they meet behind the retina. Now the 2 possible reasons for hypermetropia are weak action of the ciliary muscles causing low converging power. Now the refracted rays are forming behind the retina, therefore the converging power decreases and the distance between the eye lens and retina decreases on account of either shortening of eyeball or flattening of the eye lens. That is, the distance between the eye lens and retina decreases. Now this defect can be corrected by using convex lens of suitable power. Now if we use convex lens, they converge the light rays before the light rays enter our eyes. Okay, so that convex lens, they will converge the light rays and then the light rays will enter our eye, and then the image will be formed on the retina. Now the third type of defect, that is presbyopia. So some people suffer from nearsightedness as well as farsightedness. So they have to use bifocal lens to correct this particular defect. So such lenses, the upper part is of concave lens and the lower part is of convex lens, because of which nearsightedness as well as farsightedness can be corrected. Mostly presbyopia occurs to old people, and they are not able to see nearby objects as well as the objects which are far away from them. Now these are some uses of concave lens. So concave lenses are used in medical equipment, scanners, CD player, then the peephole in the door, spectacles, torch, camera, telescope and microscope. As we all know that concave lenses are diverging lenses. So जहाँ पे भी लाइट थोड़ी सी डाइवर्ज होने की ज़रूरत रहती है वहाँ पे हम कॉन्केव लेंसेज यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे टॉर्च, वी वांट लाइट टू बी डाइवर्ज्ड इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस, सो वी यूज़ कॉन्केव लेंसेज इन सच इक्विपमेंट्स. Now the use of convex lenses, that is simple microscope, compound microscope, telescopes, optical instrument and spectacles. So कॉन्वेक्स लेंसेज आर कॉन्वर्जिंग लेंसेज. सो जहाँ पे भी लाइट रेज बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्वर्ज होने की ज़रूरत है, जैसे माइक्रोस्कोप में लाइट रेज, वी रिक्वायर लाइट रेज टू कॉन्वर्ज एट वन पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. So wherever we required light rays to be converged at one particular point, there we use convex lenses. The last part of the chapter is how do we perceive different colors. That is, हमको different colors या फिर कोई भी light कितनी bright है कितनी dim है ये किस वजह से समझ में आता है. So the retina in our eyes is made up of very light sensitive cells. Now these cells are shaped like rod and like a cone. Okay, so rod like cells and cone like cells present रहते हैं हमारे retina में. So these rod like cells, they respond to the intensity of light. That is, कोई भी light कितनी bright है या कितनी dim है, that particular information will be perceived by the rod like cells, and the cone like cells respond to the color and give information about the color to the brain. Okay, so conical cells, they respond to the color, and the rod like cells, they respond to the intensity of light, and the brain, it processes all the received information, and then we can see the actual image formed. Okay, so for homework you have to write all the definitions which are mentioned in the presentation, and you have to submit your homework by today itself. Thank you.